into a cozy and inviting outdoor space where you can relax, entertain guests, or enjoy some fresh air. Here are some balcony ideas to help you make the most of your outdoor oasis. Choose a theme or style for your balcony. Start by deciding on a theme or style for your balcony. Some popular options include bohemian, modern, tropical, or rustic. Select comfortable seating. Invest in comfortable outdoor furnitures like chairs, a small sofa, or a bench. Consider space saving options like foldable chairs or wall mounted benches if your balcony is small. Add cushions and pillows. Enhance the comfort and style of your sitting with colorful cushions and throw pillows. These can also be a way to introduce patterns and textures. Use outdoor rugs. Outdoor rugs can define your space and add warmth to your balcony. They come in various colors and patterns to suit your style. Art and decorative pieces. Hang wall arts, mirrors, or decorative sculptures to add personality to your balcony. Weather resistant art or decor is ideal for outdoor spaces like balconies. Comfortable flooring. If your balcony has a hard concrete floor, consider adding outdoor friendly floor tiles or deck tiles for a more comfortable, visually appealing surface. Cozy throws and blankets. Keep warm during cooler months with cozy throws or blankets wrapped over your seating. Seasonal decor. Change your balcony decor seasonally with different colors, schemes, pillows, and decorations to keep it fresh and appealing. Functional storage. Maximize your space by incorporating storage solutions like outdoor storage benches or hidden storage under furniture. Personal touches. Add a personal touch like wind chimes, wind spinners, or small sculptures that reflect your personality and interest. Greenery and plants. Incorporate plants and flowers to create a natural and serene atmosphere. Hanging plants, potted plants, and vertical gardens are excellent choices for small balconies. Create a herb garden. If you have limited space, consider planting a small herb garden in containers or hanging pots. It's both decorative and functional. Install privacy screens. Depending on your balcony's location, you may want to add privacy screens like bamboo blinds, trellises, or planters with tall plants to create a secured field. Outdoor lighting. Install outdoor lighting to set the mood in the evening. String lights, lanterns, or LED candles can create a cozy and inviting ambience. Furniture accessories. Enhance your furniture with accessories like small tables, a tray for serving drinks and snacks, or a magazine rack. Scented candles and plants. Fragrant candles and aromatic plants like lavender or rosemary can create a soothing and pleasant atmosphere. Consider the view. Make the most of your balcony's view by arranging your furniture to face it or strategically placing plants and decor to frame the scenery. Remember that the key to a wall decorated balcony is to make it a reflection of your style and preferences. Experiment with different elements until you create a space that you love spending time in.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.